guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anisha. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe below. That would mean a lot to me. I would be posting videos every Wednesday, so please do subscribe. I have been noticed that 50% of my viewers are non-subscribers, so please do subscribe. That means a lot to me, so please do subscribe. So I think you have already got to know what is this video about. This video is about me recreating Indian YouTubers Instagram pics. So this is like, I'm not trying to be like them, but it's just fun to recreate their pictures. So I just tried, I just gave my 100%. I have not considered a particular YouTuber. I just took 5 random Indian YouTubers, which are my favorite too, and I just recreated their Instagram picture. This was very fun. So let's see how the photos turned out. So without getting further ado, let's get first YouTuber I have chosen is Sejal Kumar. She is so pretty and I love her videos. So I took this picture. I will be inserting it here somewhere. So this picture, she's wearing white top, plain white top and black color crossbody bag, and she's wearing a bun and goggles, and it's a yellow background. I just clicked my picture in a white background, then I turned into a yellow background. I just edited. Almost pictures I have chosen is plain background because lockdown you can't go out and shoot, so plain background you can just edit it off with colors. So let us see how this picture turned out. So next YouTuber is Mrunal. Mrunal, she is also very pretty and I love her makeup videos. I know I can't match her makeup level, but I just tried this pic out of everything. I've been inserting here. I just tried a bit. I know it's not even similar, I guess, but it's again red background with a plain top. I didn't have same color top. I just used my plain white top, and I just done my makeup and I just edited the background. I clicked the picture in white background and just put in a Reddit. So let's see how the picture turned out. So next Instagram picture I'm recreating is this. She is also one of my favorite YouTuber. I just love her videos very much. I'll be inserting photo here. This is the photo which I'm recreating. She's wearing a fairy lights on her head and she's wearing turtleneck top. So I have fairy lights and turtleneck top, and it's a plain background. So plus point. So let's see how did this photo turned out. Instagram picture that I'm recreating is this one. I would insert here. So she's also one of my favorite YouTuber. I just love her videos. I just watch her every videos, and the reason why I choose this photo is I have a quite similar top and background is plain again. I just again took the photo in a white background and just edited and made it pink, and she looks very cute in this, so I just recreated this. So let's see how did this picture turned out. So the next Instagram picture that I'm recreating is Ashnal. I would be inserting here. She's also one of my favorite YouTuber. I love watching her videos. I watch her every videos. She's also very pretty. Her smile is so cute, and this picture she is so cute. And I just tried to recreate this. I don't know it's similar or what, but she looks very pretty in this. The main reason I chose this photo because I also had same hairband. So let's see how did this photo turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. I just had a lot of fun recreating all these pictures. They turned out quite similar, pretty well. Hope you guys also enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and do like, comment, share, and comment down below how was the video and which was your favorite photo. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. I would be posting videos every Wednesday. I don't miss to post, so please do subscribe to my channel for more fun challenges. So please do subscribe. See you next Wednesday. Until then, bye.